From this method I made more than $1,000 in less than 5 minutes of work, which is 100% free. And also this method works all around the world. Number 1. I will show you steps to earn $1,000 in less than 5 minutes of work. Number 2. I will show you a tool that will do all the work for you. This is the first step. In the first step you need to go over this website, brandcrowd.com. Let me tell you again. brandcrowd.com. Maybe some of you know about this website. If you don't know, this is a platform where we can earn by selling logos. But don't worry, we don't need any skills. Yes, you heard right, we don't need any designing skills. Because as I told before, there a tool which do all our work. From that tool we can create a logo in 2 minutes. These are some logos people uploaded. Have a look. Take a look at this logos. Price of this simple logo is $100. And more. We can make lots of money from this method. So many people taking this as full-time income by selling logos on brandcrowd.com. As you saw before, we can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars from just one logo. All you do is upload logos as many as you can. Because the more you upload, the more you earn. The best part of BrandCrowd is we don't need to promote our logos, because this website does promotion for us. BrandCrowd will show our logo to thousands of people who are coming to this website. So now I want you guys to take a look at this. Step 1, we want to upload our logos to this website. It is a simple process. Step 2, we need to sell our logos. As I said before, we don't need to do anything. This site will sell our logos. And final step is make money. Let me show you how to create account on this website. It is so easy and free. Click Get Started now, and you will be taken to this page. Enter email, and create password. Make sure you select I'm a designer. And then join now. Once we create account, we can earn money by selling our designs. Now you need to do is create a logo on free tool and upload to this website. And once again, we don't need any skills or experience. This is a friendly method to make huge money online. Okay, now I will show you the free tool that we can create logo easily. But before that, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and get many earning videos like this. Let's get back to the video. This is the tool that we can design logos easily. And name of the tool is canva.com. Once again, this is canva.com. I'm sure many people know what is Canva. But if anyone don't know, this is the tool which create logo easily. From this we can create logos, thumbnails, Instagram posts, many social designs. So today we are going to create a logo. First, search logo in search bar and select logo. Here we get many logos. We can customize these logos. Just change the text and colors in the logo as you like. Best part in the Canva is we can create any kind of logos, like gaming logo, business logo and many more. We can choose and customize any logo from here. Let's have a look. Let's select a logo and customize it. Just change titles and colors in this design. And you can easily download customized logos. Just tap the download button. And then you need to upload downloaded logos to the BrandCrowd website and start earning. As I told before, the more you upload, the more you earn. And many earning videos are about to come. Please subscribe.